So my favorite dish for dinner became roasted vegetables. You can just take any vegetables you have. I have this yellow squash and green peppers, cherry tomatoes, some asparagus. So I just mix it up. I chop fresh parsley. Let's just add some salt. And I like to put olive oil, just 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the vegetables, so when they're cooked they have this flavor, and olive oil is actually healthy. So I mix it all together, and I may add a little bit more salt, and let's see, I put a little bit of pepper. It's oily. It's really oily in my hands, so this is pepper, and I'll mix it again and add a little bit more salt. So magic will start now with because we're going to cook on Di Marlia at Home silpat, very famous silpat. So I'll just put it here, and what we do, we throw all the veggies just like that on the mat. We have as a base perforated baking sheet, which is the base of all flexible cookware. So I just put it neatly so it doesn't touch the edges like that. It's beautiful. And this is going to the oven now for 20 minutes.